Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Infinix Zero Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app. Now press the screencast button on the top of the screen and select your TV. As you can see, the smartphone is now paired with the TV. Thanks to this you can play any music or video on the smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to stop the connection, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.